In 2024, I made $225 recommending the financial services of a company called SoFi. In 2025, I want to make $10,000. Okay. Now, why the specific number of $10,000? Well, that just happens to be what SoFi caps you at in terms of how much you can make in referral bonuses in any given calendar year. All right. So they limit it to $10,000 per person. And I want to show you how you can do this too. Okay. Essentially what we're doing here is something called affiliate marketing, right? Whereby we recommend or promote the services or products of other companies, and in return they give us a commission for it. Okay. Now, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and make it something that you use to supplement your current source of income, or possibly even entirely replace your current source of income, check out the first link that I have in the description below this video. It will teach you how to get started with affiliate marketing from scratch the right way, so much so that you can set yourself up for long-term success. Okay. Now, back to SoFi. When you think about affiliate marketing as a whole, you've probably been doing this, not probably, you've been doing this your entire life. You just don't realize it. Okay. Every time you go, like, say, to the movies, or you use some product or something that you like, and then you start raving about it, you start telling your friends about it, and then they also go purchase the same thing or go watch the same movie, whatever the case might be. You essentially are acting as an affiliate for that company, right? You're just not getting paid for it. Now, SoFi is an online personal finance company, and they're essentially like an online bank, right? And they've been around since 2011. It's a multi-billion-dollar company, right? They're not one of those here today, gone tomorrow type of businesses, right? They are legit, and they have all types of financial services from high yield savings accounts, checking accounts, personal loans, student loans, right? Investments, investing, all that type of stuff, right? They have an investment app, you name it. Okay. And I happen to be a customer of SoFi, right? And I like them enough to where I, look to recommend their, the service that they provide. Now, what specific service was I recommending or promoting or telling people about? It is the high yield savings account that they have, right? And the great thing about this is it enables you to make so much more in passive income on your money that you have saved, right? This is, if let's say you're somebody who tries to save their money, right? You're probably keeping it in a traditional brick and mortar bank. And, let's say it's like, the likes of Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, whoever it is, right? Chances are you're probably making pennies on your savings in terms of interest, anywhere from 0.01 to 0.04% APY, right? So let's just say, for example, you had $10,000 saved inside your traditional brick and mortar bank. After 1 year, that $10,000 would have only earned you anywhere from, like, say, $1 to $4. Whereas if you had it in a high yield savings account in a place like, with a company like SoFi, who right now are paying up to 3.8%. at the time of this recording, and I say that because that can change, and that will change at any time, but it's typically always going to be higher than what your traditional brick and mortar bank is paying. So right now, SoFi is paying up to 3.8%, okay, which means that same $10,000 would earn you about, $380 after 1 year of just sitting there, not doing anything. This is your savings, your emergency fund, whatever it is. It's money that you don't touch, right? You just keep it in there. So if it's going to be sitting there doing nothing, why not have it work for you and make you a little bit of, some extra money, right? And that's why I like to recommend, SoFi to people who are interested. Okay. So here's how it comes to making the money. And I should show you proof of it, by the way. So let me show you proof of the fact that I only made, and I say only because, there was room to make so much more. Right. So here I'm inside my SoFi account. Here you can see the top right hand corner. That's my name, Christian Plus. And well, Christian Morpho is my name, right? But plus is just my status with SoFi, right? I'm a plus member as opposed to just the regular member. Anyway, so those are my referrals right there. So it says SoFi, 3 successful referrals in the books. Don't stop now. Share the SoFi love. It's the gift that keeps on giving. All right. 3 referrals, $225. For each and every person that you refer to open a high yield savings account with SoFi, they will pay you $75. Okay. That's nothing to sneeze at. And here's the good thing about it. Every time you recommend someone to open a high yield savings account with SoFi through your unique referral link, they will get a $25 welcome bonus. So it's a really, really enticing, I mean, it could be enticing, right, to somebody who, you know, just to open an account, right? They give you $25 for free, essentially, just to open an account and fund it with $50 or more, right? Once you do that, you can get, you know, they'll send you $25 for free. Okay. And of course, you can always take out the money, the entire, you know, the $25 and your $50 if you want to. They will send you a debit card in the mail so you can use it and spend at all kinds of different places, right? That's what I've been doing with mine, right? But my goal essentially is to make this $10,000 and actually keep it inside my SoFi high yield savings account so that it starts accumulating that interest, right? And obviously look to compound that interest. Okay. So that is what we're going to be doing. And if you do decide to do this, right, check out the second link in the description below this video. Actually, let's take that back. The first link in the description below this video is going to be my referral link to open a high yield savings account, whereby you'll get $25 for free, and then that will give you the ability to also promote it and earn $75 for each person that you refer. So this is what the second link in the description, the first link in the description is going to look like. So this is it right here. Earlier on in the video, I told you that if you wanted to learn how to do affiliate marketing, check out the first link. Let me correct that. Okay, so the first link is going to be this link here for you to open your own high yield savings account with SoFi, and you'll get an automatic checking account as well together with that, all for free. And then the second link is going to be my training. It's going to be training for you to start learning how to do affiliate marketing, if that's something that you want to you know, if that's something that you want to learn. Okay. So this page that you're looking at right here, first link in the description below, is one that you will have as well, right? When you sign up for SoFi, you'll be given a referral link, and it will look exactly like this one, except of course there's going to be your name in there, right? Instead of Christian, it will be your name. If you see a different name there instead of Christian right now, that just simply means maybe I'm helping somebody else get some referrals with their referral link. But you will essentially have your own unique link, and this is the link that you will share with friends, family, or acquaintances, whoever. But this is the link that I'm going to be using to share with anyone and everyone, like I'm sharing with you right now. And that is the link that I'm going to use. That's essentially what I would need to be able to hit that $10,000, right? So at $75 per person, I'm essentially looking to I need to get about 133 people, okay? 133 different people, referrals in the year of 2025 in order to make that $10,000, okay? And you need to use this link because if you go directly to the SoFi website, you will miss out on that $25, right? It did say 325. I'll explain how you'll get that that additional 300, right? So if you go to the website directly, let me show you. Oh, here we go. That's it. So if you go directly to SoFi and sign up, you're only going to get $300, and you would miss out on that $25 welcome bonus. The way you get that $300 is if you set up direct deposit and you deposit at least $5,000 or more within the first 25 calendar days of your initial first direct deposit. Okay, that's how you get that $300 bonus. But I'm not concerned with that right now. What's guaranteed for you is to get that $25 welcome bonus, right? Which you get if you use that first link in the description below this video. Okay, do that. And then you will you will be able to start referring SoFi to others as well. And here's the thing: if you have a spouse or kids that are of age, right, 18 or older, or that have their own bank accounts, this is going to be perfect. Like, and you could literally make $100 within an hour from now if you just take action on what I'm showing you here. When you go through the sign-up process, right, you're going to be presented with two opportunities with two different methods to fund your high yield savings account, right? They will need you to use your current existing bank account to link to your SoFi account and do an ACH transfer. But you don't want to do that, because if you do that, those take like a couple of business days, and then you're going to wait till the funds actually deposit into your account before that $25 bonus is sent to you, right? The other option is, what you want to do is do an instant deposit with your existing bank issued debit card, right? Not a credit card, your debit card that you already have right now with whoever you bank. Use your bank issued debit card, right? Not a prepaid Visa card, not a PayPal card, or any of those peer-to-peer cards or whatever, or Cash App and all that. Use your bank issued debit card to instantly deposit $50 into your SoFi account, and within 15 to 20 minutes, which is how long it took for me, you'll get a $25 for free. Okay, so do that. And then if you have your spouse, right, if you have your spouse and you guys both want to do this, make sure you don't sign up for a joint account. Make sure you sign up for your account, and then take your referral link and give it to your spouse, and then they sign up for a SoFi account. And that way you'll get that $25 welcome bonus from using my link, right? And then you use your referral link to give to your spouse, and then they sign up, they get their free $25, but then you also get $75 for having referred them. So that's a total of $100 for you, and then $25 for your spouse. So between the two of you, that's $125 right there. And then she or he can go about sharing their unique affiliate link with their friends and family, whoever they want to refer, right? So you can both make you can both make referral bonuses. So between the two of you, right, that could be $20,000 for any given calendar year. But you need to make sure that you're signing up for unique individual accounts. Don't do a joint account, right? And if you have kids that are older, right, you can tell them as well. Those, just right away, you could easily hit the same 225 that I made in 2024. I didn't promote it as heavily as I should have or could have, but I'm looking back, I'm like, oh, that's money I missed out on. I signed up for an account with SoFi in 2024, but in 2025, since I do have the account, and I'm looking to change that. So I'm going to take you on a journey if you guys if you want to follow and see how well we're doing, right? And see if I'm able to hit that goal of $10,000. And then if you want to learn all the different things that I'm doing to promote it, make sure you subscribe so that you can follow along. But don't only just follow along. Sign up for your own account. Go ahead and sign up for your own account. That's an extra $10,000 that you can make this year. The sooner you do it, the more time you're going to have to be able to hit that target of $10,000. Okay? So go ahead. Sign up. First link in the description below this video. Let's make this money. All right. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, let me know in the comments section below. I will be sure to answer, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.